Artificial intelligence, it's everywhere today, from your smartphone to self-driving cars. But where did it all start? How did we go from theoretical discussions about machines thinking like humans to AI transforming our everyday lives? Join me as we dive into the fascinating history of AI, from its humble beginnings to its cutting-edge applications today. Section 1: Early AI Concepts and Theory. The concept of artificial intelligence can be traced back centuries, before computers even existed. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Aristotle imagined logical systems that could mirror human reasoning. But it wasn't until the 20th century that the foundations of AI were formally laid out. In 1950, Alan Turing, often considered the father of modern computer science, introduced the idea of machine intelligence in his paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. He proposed the famous Turing test, a way to measure if a machine can exhibit human-like intelligence. This marked the beginning of AI as a field of study, although at the time it was still largely theoretical. Researchers like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky began exploring how computers could perform tasks that required human-like intelligence, leading to the birth of the term artificial intelligence in 1956. Section 2: The early development. The next few decades were marked by significant progress and setbacks. During the 1960s, AI programs were being developed to solve specific problems, like playing chess or proving mathematical theorems. Early successes gave researchers hope that general AI, machines with human-like reasoning, was just around the corner. However, the road wasn't easy. In the 1970s, enthusiasm for AI waned as it became clear that many of the lofty goals set in the 60s were still far out of reach. Limited computational power, insufficient data, and unrealistic expectations led to what's known as the AI winter, a period of reduced funding and interest in AI research. Section 3: AIs Resurgence. Despite setbacks, AI made a resurgence in the 1980s and 1990s. Expert systems, which used if-then rules to mimic human expertise, became popular in industries like medicine and finance. Advances in computing and algorithms also helped rekindle interest in AI, but it wasn't until the 2000s, with the advent of big data and more powerful computers, that AI truly began to take off again. Algorithms like neural networks, based loosely on the structure of the human brain, began showing remarkable progress in tasks like image and speech recognition. Section 4: Modern AI and Applications. Let's fast forward to today, where AI has gone from theory to an integral part of everyday life. Machine learning and deep learning, fueled by enormous amounts of data, have revolutionized fields from healthcare to finance. AI can now beat world champions at games like chess and Go, diagnose diseases with impressive accuracy, and even compose music. We've moved from AI programs designed to perform one task to systems like GPT and AlphaGo, which show much broader capabilities. Section 5: Ethical Challenges and the Future. But with these advancements come new challenges. As AI becomes more powerful, questions arise around ethics, privacy, and bias. While the future of AI holds incredible potential, it's up to us to navigate this complex landscape carefully. Will AI continue to enhance human life, or will it create new dilemmas we've never faced before? Only time will tell. From its origins in theory and philosophy to the practical applications we see today, AI has come a long way. But this journey is far from over. If you're excited about the future of AI, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what you think the future of AI holds.